doing something called Mechanical Turk, where I do surveys online. So I get, like, I have an option. I can either get it deposited in my checking account, or I can, so I wanted to bring this up here so I could kind of look at it. CO2 tank. I want to shake it up. It's very big. It's the it comes, it's kind of dusty on the inside. That's gross. Comes with 2 bottles. Comes with, this used to be my favorite thing when I was a kid, the bubble wrapping part. It comes with like orange drops. It says natural flavor, but what is that? Orange essence. Very interesting scent. And this one is lime. And a venom emergency called Chemtruck. That's what it says on the outside of the box. I'm like, okay, SodaStream, I'm glad that you're giving us all sorts of, saying carbon dioxide, response by telephone. The SodaStream's an interesting machine. I believe that it's made in Israel. What I heard anyway. I don't know if it's still made in Israel, but I think that's what I heard. Oh yeah, look, Aya, I'm thinking about you because it's made in Israel. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we have the big box. Everything in here is big. It's all big, and it's like Christmas for adults, but with Amazon, right? Because I don't know, you just order something, you click it, it shows up at your door. Oh. I can vlog. I do a little bit. This box is interesting. Should that you can open the door, but it's not this way. Honey, I'm home. Oh, so cute. I've wanted one for a long time, so I feel like I finally decided to buy one. So other people would be like, this one comes with a lot of extras. Like it comes with 2 of the CO2. It comes with the actual. Oh my gosh! It comes with a lot of little things. It comes with one that came with the case, and then it comes with 2 extra carbonating bottles, which is kind of awesome. I just bought the kit one, and it's in several different languages. Your box, and it shows you that it makes up to 60 liters, but I like it really sparkling, so will it? I don't know. We shall see. Bubble Trouble? Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. This is up my alley, like Bubble Trouble. No need to return to the store. Our sparkling specialists are here for you, and you can call if you have bubble trouble. Do you have bubble trouble? I hate to burst your bubble, but the SodaStream is quite hefty. And I'm sorry, but I've read and also heard that the directions, like, what is up with these simple directions? Like, you know, you could have some words here. I guess they just want to make it really easy. Really, really easy. So, it's simple. Order an exchange, get it delivered, send back your used cylinder. So you can, your license, all sorts of information. Important safety. Provide them. Do not misuse sparkling water. Do not use sparkling water maker if it's not in its upright position. Do not use sparkling water for carbonating anything else but sparkling water. So don't carbonate alcohol clumpers. Or, I don't know. Don't clump. Just carbonate water, okay? Follow the directions. If it says to do something, do what it tells you to do, or you might have bubble trouble. Do you want bubble trouble? You'll have some bubble trouble if you don't follow their directions. Oh, how cute. On my other channel, my lawn care channel, but I decided to put it here on the lawn care channel because I love lawn care and I love making soda. Well, sparkly water really. I think sparkly water is great for replacing your soda addictions. That's my thought on that. So I'm going to rinse one of these before I start. So I don't want to get it soapy. It's really cool looking though. Very nice aesthetic. It has like kind of a fun look to it. It's to rinse out my SodaStream container before usage. Just to kind of get it nice and clean. All that jazz. I'm getting kind of excited now. We're going to make soda, well, sparkling water. I don't know. Maybe I'll make some syrup first. I am getting ready. I'm filming myself making SodaStream. It's so exciting. So, next step is I chilled some water for this. That's another thing too. I'm tired of buying sparkling water because I feel like I spend a lot of money on that. So watch. So, now we're going to down to the nitty-gritty of it all. Let's give me a nice wipe. It says warning. To prevent personal injury, only carbonate water. Only water, buddies. Never use bottle if damaged or deformed. Never remove bottle while carbonating. So don't pull it out while it's carbonating. Okay, guys? Follow the directions. If the directions tell you to do something, follow them, okay? Do not carbonate something silly. It says, exchange your empty SodaStream cylinder for a full one. Pay for refill only. Find a retailer or get home delivery. So, yay. This is another subscription I can get addicted to, I guess. But, you know, if it works out, best before end. See, cat. It's in several different languages. So, I think you want to open this part, right? No, I want to make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, so you do want to open this. Get scissors to open things. Do not open things with your mouth, but it's disgusting. Smell to it. I'm not really sure what it is, but this is interesting. I smell like something to it. Some sort of something. To me anyway. Maybe not to other people. Okay, so goes in here. you supposed to unscrew it? So you're supposed to unscrew it, okay? Very carefully, just like with long hair. Pretend like it's long hair. It's hanging. How's it hanging? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I figured out what I did wrong. You want to screw this in right here nice and tight to where it's kind of hanging a little bit off you know, the ground. I think that's what wasn't working, but I want to try again. By the way, I'm not sponsored. Okay, there we go. I want it really carbonated. Okay, I like super carbonated. Do you like super carbonated? Can you wait? Okay, great. Might be wasting a lot of the carbonated. I don't know. It looks, I mean, you're probably not supposed to shake it, but it looks pretty hard. That's my first attempt. It seems kind of sparkly, but I think I can do better on the second attempt. I'm gonna make more. second attempt at making the SodaStream water because I think this time I feel I have a better grasp. That's okay. Put it in. Bring it close. And then you push it in like that, where it hangs. And go one. Okay, so I'll cut the sweet. I got a sweet lime. I've never got one of these before.